Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with a lightning fast haul video. This is from Nina at Hole in the Wall Beads on Facebook. I only ordered 5 things, and so it's gonna be really fast. But I got these acrylic metal coated beads. I thought that they looked really cool. They were $1. They look like little globes or planets or something. Just really love them. I want to use them in just like a regular necklace with just some beads and like a pendant, like nothing crazy. I just really love them like this. No patina. I don't know how many times I can say I could just really love them. They were $1. I wish I could get more because I would probably buy a bajillion. Next, the rest are just cabochons, which I don't really buy those too often, but I loved these, and she had them for $5, and they're all regular. They're turquoise. So I'm getting the itch to learn more about silversmithing. Oh, I don't need a new hobby. I learned in college, and it was a great credit. It was like a weekend class. I got a credit for it. I made 2 things. I made like a ring and a pendant that I have no idea where they are now. And now I want to get back into it because it looks so pretty, and goodness gracious, like I need a new hobby, like I need a hole in the head. So I got some turquoise cabs. So I got 4 cards. Each one was $5. So I got these because I thought they looked great together. This would probably be a pendant, and then maybe turn these 2 into a ring. The cool thing is I could probably learn how to do it with polymer clay. I actually know how to do it with polymer clay. I just haven't done it yet, but I kind of want to learn to do silversmithing because I want to make my own pieces. I always see these beautiful pieces. I'm like, I want to learn how to do that. So talk me out of it. I know you won't. And then I got this beauty. Turquoise isn't always turquoise, and it is just so gorgeous. I love that matrix. I love the green with a little pop of the aqua up there and some orange into brown. And then I got these to match. Just thought they were so cool. This one's my favorite. And I love them. I'm going to Al Silver with my friends next week, and because I've been jonesing for some new turquoise. Not that I've used any of the old turquoise that I bought from them, but I want some new. But anyway, like I said, lightning fast, 5 things. Tell me what you think. Oh my gosh, this video's 2 minutes long. I hope you have a good day. I'll leave a link to Hole in the Wall Beads. They're on Facebook. I have a lot of fun there. Have a good day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye.